0F91Q510719. A 1970 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. This is a rare Cobra Jet Eliminator. Original build sheet featured in the 2011 May edition of Modified Mustangs. 2 years invested in the restoration, air conditioning. Got a 428 Cobra Jet engine with ram air.
100,000 on the bid, but I get 100,000 on the bid, and right now 80,000, 80,000, 20,000, 30,000, or 30,000 on the bid, but I get a 40,000, 30,000, 40,000, 40,000, 50,000 now, 50,000 bid, but I get a 50,000, 50,000, 50,000 on the bid, and right now 40,000, 50,000, 50,000 on the bid, and I get a 50, now 50, now 50, and will it be 50,000 on the bid, and I get a 50,000, 60,000, 50,000, 50, 60 here, and 55,000 on the bid, and right now 50 bid, 55, 50 bid, 55 anywhere, 55,000, 50 bid, and 55, 55,000 on the bid, and I get a 55,000, 55,000, 50 here, 55,000 on the bid, and right now 55, 55,000, 50 bid, 55,000, 55,000 on the bid, and right now 55,000, 50 here, 55,000 on the bid, and we're going to get a 55, 55,000, 50 bid and 5, 55,000 on the bid, and we're going to get a 55,000, 55,000, 50 here, 55, 55,000. Anybody want to bid 52,000 on the now, 52,000 on the bid, and we're going to get a 52, 52,000, 50 bid and 52,000, 50 here, now 52. Anybody else a 52,000, 50 bid and 52,000 on the bid, and we're going to 52,000. Close the bid at 50,000. The bid goes on.
F294 is a 1970 Chevelle SS convertible, less than 100.